Palantir stock price almost triples within 2 months. So before we will talk about the Palantir stock price target, $100, let's intro. TNT Finance, helping you making better financial decisions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So Palantir has over 125 customers. One of them is, for example, the US government, and another one from the private sector is, for example, BP, Ferrari, Airbus, etc. And according to the earnings report, they mentioned that on the fourth quarter 2020, they expect their operating income to increase to $44 million. And the revenue in the fourth quarter, they expect it to increase to 30% compared to last year. And for the next year, 2021, their revenue growth will be more than 30%. Smash the like button for no reason. So let's have a quick look at the Palantir stock price target real quick. As of 27th November 2020, the Palantir stock is at around $28. And as you can see here from the graph, like 1 month ago, the Palantir stock price was at around $10. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. And 2 months ago, it was also like $9.5. The market cap of Palantir stock is at around $52 billion. So it is considered a large cap stock, which means it is fairly stable. And because based on the fact that Palantir will do better in the next quarter, the Palantir stock price target for the next 2 months is $100. I hope you could learn something about it so that you can make better financial decisions. Subscribe and see you next time.